Did you know that Tesla has been hiding some very cool features from you? And once you unlock them, they completely change your driving experience. Let me explain. It's all thanks to this, the sexy knob and commander by Enhance Auto. This isn't just your regular accessory that will bring back physical controls to your Tesla, but it is also to unlock your Tesla's full potential. And having used this daily for over a month now, I cannot imagine driving my Tesla without it. There are so many features to this device, but I'm going to highlight my top 3 favorites. Starting with number 1, the tailgater warning. This is honestly my favorite. If someone is tailgating you, with one press of a button, you can pretty much warn them to back off by flashing the brake lights on command, anytime, anywhere. Number 2, automatic unlocking doors. Do you have friends and family who still find it hard to open your Tesla doors even after all these years? Yeah, mine still does. Now, with one click of a button, you can easily open each specific passenger door, giving them an almost chauffeur-like experience. It's the closest thing you can get to full automatic doors on your Tesla. Not only that, you can even configure whether you'd like the windows wind down every time you open specific doors at specific locations. I find this extremely helpful when I park at home and when I need to put or take my toddler out of the car. It saves me so much hassle. Number 3, automatic sports mode. Remember the tailgater? If even warning lights don't fan him off, then all you have to do is smoke him. Press the pedal to the metal and your Tesla can switch from chill to standard or performance sports mode instantly without a single push of a button. Now, I've only covered the surface, but there are so many other features that you can try, like your AC fan controls on tap, wiper controls, fold your mirror with a press of a button, and even unlock drift mode on my Tesla Model Y? What? And I promise you, once you play around with this accessory, it almost gives you a feeling of buying a brand new car. So if you want to get the most out of your Tesla, this upgrade will unlock your Tesla's full potential. And for my Malaysian viewers, I'm very pleased to share that Enhance Auto is now officially available here locally in Malaysia. So no more overseas shipping, no more extra taxes, and it's even SIRIM certified, which honestly makes it the best time to get it. And on top of that, you can get an additional 10% now with this voucher code. So don't miss out on getting your Tesla to do what it's really capable of. And if you stayed this long through the video, please do give a like, subscribe, comment, or share. It'll help me understand more of what you guys want to see. Also, here's a quick unboxing of what to expect when you receive your sexy knob. First up here, we have a very nice sleek box. Down here, you have a brief introduction of what the device is all about. Here is the SIRIM certified tag and the code if you want to scan for more information. Opening up the magnetic box, inside you first see two things. One is the Commander, which is the brain of the entire device. Next up is the sexy knob itself, and the build quality is superb. Next up here, you have two types of cables. One is for the front pillar and the other is for the center console. And here you have a USB Type-C port, which you will use to power up the sexy knob. And the moment it's connected, it's pretty much switched on just like that. And there you have it, guys, your sexy knob. As for the installation, it's really simple, and Enhance Auto has a clear installation guide already, which I'll link in the description below.